Okay, we have a Doosan vertical machining center with 5-axis capability. Model MV4020, serial number AV5E3240. Machine was new in 2008. It has a FANUC 21 IMB control. We're gonna run her for you. Spindle's at 2500. It goes up to 8000. It is very quiet.
That's 5500.
5500 RPM. Spindle is a Cat 40. We have a 30 ATC side mounted tool changer with it. 7000 RPM. The table size is 47.2 by 19.7. You have 40-inch 0.2 in the X, or 1 meter, a little more than 1 meter, 21.1 in the Y, and 24.6 in the Z. That's a tool change. Okay. We're going to jog the axes around. That rotary table, trunnion rotary table, is a KITAGAWA. That's your Z, very quiet. Your X. Y. That's your A. And your B. All right. Thank you. Hey, thank you for watching our video.